How to make a video with pictures and music in CapCut. First things first is access your Google Play Store or wherever you have downloaded CapCut to ensure that you're currently running with the latest version. This is just to make sure that we are trying to avoid or we're avoiding um, some crashes or bugs. Now, just access your CapCut application and you've got to be patient with the ads that is going to show up if you're using the free mode. Now head over to your library and tap on Create. Now go to Photos and extract or upload any photos you would like to make a video with sounds or music in it. Now in here at the lower portion of your screen, just head down to Audio and then go to Sounds. Now this is where you can access default sounds that has already been with CapCut. Now, if you choose to add on your current or music that you have on your file manager, just simply change this into your file manager. Now, go to extract audio from video, and this is where you can just simply adding it to your photos. Now, once you're satisfied with the result, just hit on export and you're good to go. So that's how you make a video with pictures and music in CapCut.